Hey guys, Paddy back again with another episode. So before we start, please go and hit that subscribe button and also show some love and give me a thumbs up. So I just want to show you that I've made a few more sales today and how I actually made more profit than I should have. So just go over to this page and show you. As you can see, let me scroll down a little bit. As you can see, I've made two more sales today. So today I've made sales of £55.98. The last 7 days is £70.97, and in the last 31 days is £104.46. So as you can see, my sales have been spread out a little bit, but all in all I think I'm going pretty well. I'm still consistent with this business model, even though I can't list anything at the minute because I need to get in touch with eBay and have my listing limits hired, but I'm still finding items to sell and putting them in a spreadsheet, so I'm all ready to rock and roar when I go to list. So yeah, made a few more sales today, and I want to show you why I ended up making more profit than I should have. So I didn't get charged for shipping fees. I don't know why, they just didn't charge me. Yeah, shocker. So instead of paying the £3.95 for Argos to ship, they essentially gave me the shipping for free, and I didn't have to pay any shipping at all. So that's an extra £3.95 profit, which is pretty cool. So if I go over to my eBay tracker, my calculator, so the item cost me £14.99. Bear in mind he brought two, so I'm going to do that in a minute. But the products cost £14.99 and I sell them for £27.99, so that's like a 40% markup. So he brought two of them. So my profit on one is £9.05. So times two, what's that? £18.10. So that's £18.10 profit just for selling two items. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought that was pretty cool. I made some extra profit because I didn't have to pay the shipping cost. So the shipping cost, which should have been £3.95, went straight in my pocket, and it gave me extra profit. So I'm pretty pleased with that. So that was it about that. That's all I wanted to share. Store's going well so far, considering I've got under 100 items listed. So I will be looking to get in touch with eBay within the next few days to get my listing limits hired. That's if they're not automatically hired. That's what I was hoping for, but all in all, if I have to contact eBay, that doesn't bother me in the slightest. But yeah, as you can see, my listing impressions, 25,000. My click-through rate is 0.4%. Listing page views is 256, and sales conversion rate is 0.4. But yeah, I think my store is going pretty well at the minute, slow and steady. You know, as soon as I've got my listing limits hired, then I'll get back to listing at least 5 items a day. But I do want to start listing those 10, and I know I can do that because even though I can't list, I'm still finding items every single day and putting them in a spreadsheet, so I'm all ready to go. And another thing I did, I think it was either yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. What I did, I was looking at my titles because I can't list at the minute. I was going through all my titles and thinking which ones I could improve on. And I must have improved on about 15 titles. And the sales I got today was from one of those listings. So I'm presuming me changing my title and optimizing it even more helped me get those sales today. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, or if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have any suggestions or ideas on some of the videos you would like to see me do, then please leave a comment below telling me what you'd like to see videos on. And I'll see you in the next video.